Hi, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Entrepreneurship World. Today, we are going to discuss about break-even point. How to calculate break-even point for a multiple product. That's what we are going to discuss today. Let's see. What do you mean by break-even point? It is a point at which there is no profit, no loss, or it is a point where total revenue is equal to the total cost. BEP helps to identify the product which is having high yield contribution. It helps to know the target level of a profit, or it helps the business organization to set the price of a product. Now we'll see how to calculate BEP for a multiple products. If it's a multiple product, there are some assumptions are there. We'll see what are the assumptions. The sales mix must be predetermined. The sales mix ratio or the percentage, it will be determined before itself. Sales mix must not change within the relevant time period. All the cost can be classified into a variable cost and the fixed cost. Sales price per unit, variable cost per unit, total fixed cost per unit, all are constant in the assumptions. All units which are produced considered to be sold. These are the assumptions related to the BEP. Now we'll see a step by step how to calculate BEP. Let's see one example. So this is the question. Here we got the sales price of three products A, B, C. Variable cost per unit is also given and sales mix is given in the percentage basis and also the total fixed cost also given. So let's see the what is the step 1. Step 1, we have to calculate the contribution margin per unit of a product. How to calculate contribution? Equation for calculation is sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So we will make a table like this A, B, C. We'll write sales and variable cost. Both is given in the question and deduct it. We will get 6, 7 and 70. Sales price per minus variable cost. We will get the contribution margin per unit. Step 2. Now we want to calculate the weighted average contribution. So for weighted average contribution, we have to multiply the contribution margin into sales mix. So the first step we got the say contribution as 6, 7 and 17. Now we have to multiply with the sales mix percentage which is already given in the question as 20 percentage, 20 percentage and 60. So product A 6 into 20 by 100 we will get 1.2. Product B 7 into 20 by 100 it is 1.4. C 17 into 60 by 100 it is 10.2. Now we have to add all the three 1.2 plus 1.4 plus 10.2. We will get the weighted average contribution as 12.80. So step 2 we calculated the weighted average contribution. Now we'll move to step 3. Here we'll calculate the break even point in unit of sales mix. So the BEP is equal to total fixed cost divided by the weighted average contribution per unit. Total fixed cost is given in the question and weighted average we calculated in the step 2 as 12.80. So we have to divide it. 40,000 divided 12.80. We got the answer 3125 rupees as the break even point in units of sales mix. That's what we got in the step 3. Now we are moving to the step 4. Here we are going to calculate the each products, that is A, B, C and each products, what is the BEP of each product. For that equation will be sales mix of each product into the BEP. BEP which is already we calculated in the step 3 as 3125 and what is the sales mix of A, that is 20. So 3125 into 20 by 100 625 and for B also BEP is same 3125 into 20 by 100 and for C also 3125 into 60 by 100. So we got the product wise BEP of each product A 625, B 625 and C 1875. Now we want to calculate the BEP of rupees. For that the product wise BEP, that is 625, 625, 1875 we already calculated in step 4. Multiply with the selling price. Selling price also given in the question. So A 625 into 15, B 625 into 21, C 1875 into 36. So we got as 9,375, 13,125, 67,500. Now we have to total these three. We got the break even point in rupees as 90,000 rupees. So these are the 5 steps for calculating the BEP of a multiple product. We'll see the equation. So this is a contribution method calculation. Step 1, we calculate the contribution margin. Equation is sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Second step, we calculated the weighted average contribution. For that, contribution of each product into sales mix and total it. Step 3, we are calculating the BEP in unit of sales mix. For that, total fixed cost divided by weighted average contribution. Step 4, we are calculating the each product BEP. For that, total break even point into sales mix of each product. Then fifth step, we are calculating the BEP in rupees, product wise BEP into sales mix percentage. That's all. Thank you.